You're watching Muscle Up, my car channel with Big Herc 916, where I talk about nothing but cars. And you haven't seen me posting a whole lot because I haven't been going to a lot of car shows because I've been kind of like feeling some kind of way because I haven't had my car back. And lo and behold, I went to pick up the wig splitter Porsche and it overheated on me again. Now, recently I have replaced the water pump, added a new condenser. I got a hell of a radiator up in it. Let's take a look. So as you can see, I have a Ron Davis radiator. I just added a trans cooler. I'm getting plenty of air going to the radiator, but the problem has been this damn sniper system, and I'm over it. So I'm getting rid of the sniper, you guys. I'm going back to carbureted on this 350. Yes, this is a 350 swap Porsche 928, and I'm just over the overheating issues. For some reason, this sniper system, I haven't been able to get it to work properly, even though I paid a guy who's a tuner who put all the perimeters in there, and even then the car still ran hot. Once it gets hot, it doesn't cool down. For some reason, it will not cool down. And this sniper system, when it gets hot, it doesn't want to start. So the car gets hot, doesn't want to start, and I have to pull over and let the car cool off. And it's pretty embarrassing sitting in a parking lot, waiting for the car to cool off. People want to come by, take pictures, talk to me about the car. I had somebody taking pictures of the car today while I was sitting there waiting for it to cool off. And, dude, I'm just over it. Holley, I have a Holley setup in the Chevelle Terminator X, but it's totally different with the LS. But this sniper, first generation, man, I don't know what's going on, I don't know if it's advancing the timing when I turn the AC on and it makes it overheat. But this time I didn't even have the AC on and it still got hot. And once it gets hot, it doesn't cool down. I don't know if it's doing something with the fans. I got dual fans that are very strong fans. I mean, this is not a cheap radiator. It's high CFMs, but for some reason, it's not cooling the car. And I'm sick of it. I'm sick of this damn sniper system. And my mechanic, I just picked it up from him, and he told me that for some reason, I guess, I don't know if one of the fans wasn't cutting on or was cutting off or something was going on, but it's all controlled through the sniper setup. So this sniper setup must have some type of voodoo curse on it or something, man, but I'm over it. Getting rid of this sniper. Next week, I'm throwing on an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and just going to do a fan switch. I'm tired of this fuel injection stuff, man. This system, whatever is going on with the computer, I don't know if it's a bug, if it's messing with the timing, making the car run hot, it doesn't want to cool down. It just makes no sense, man. It shouldn't be this complicated to cool down a small block Chevy, regardless if it's a swap. It's not that complex. It should be straightforward, but I'm having all kind of issues, and every time I got to deal with these so-called tuner experts, it's just paying money, getting no results. I've done a lot of research on YouTube and the videos, and I've seen some of the comments. Other people having issues with the sniper setup, so I know I'm not the only one. If you've been having problems, also leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the sniper setup. If you like it, if you're doing the sniper too, I would like to see hear your feedback from running it on a small block Chevy. I don't have a crazy cam. There's nothing wild about the motor. It's just a small block built mildly with a mild cam, and Ron Davis radiator, dual fans, all your basic stuff. Got the pulley set up, but the car should run like a trooper, and it's running like poo-poo. It runs good, but overheats, so I can't really enjoy it. And it's weird because prior to having some work done, the car drove, I drove from Arizona to LA, no AC though, didn't overheat. Got back, had the heads done, had the cam changed, water pump, some other stuff, and yeah, it's running warm, man. I don't know why it's running hot. This shit is frustrating, man. It's frustrating, and I want to hit a car show this weekend, Labor Day weekend, but it doesn't look like I'll be able to hit a damn car show unless I can figure something out on my own. I don't get it, man. Maybe I'll try some water wetter. Maybe that will help or something. I don't know. But in stop and go traffic out here in Arizona, it's 109 degrees. It's no mercy. No mercy on it, man. So I don't know. I'm frustrated. When I have my other cars back, I'll have 3 cars to take to car show so I can pick and choose between the Porsche, the Chevelle, and the Cougar. But right now, it's the Porsche. And, man, going through stuff like this, when you have customized a car and put all the time and effort into doing body work and interior and all the stuff, man, it's like, dude, I could have bought, with the money I put into it, I could have just bought a R8 or something, and been done with it. Could have bought an R8, could have bought a 67 Firebird, could have bought a lot of different things, This is my passion, so I put money into it, but at this point, man, I'm just sick of it. Kind of sick of it, man. The car, when I look at the body and what we've done, I put a smile on my face, but not enjoying the car makes me pretty frustrated, man. So, yeah, this is one of those videos, man. This is one of those videos, where I'm talking shit about my own car. Yep. Talking shit about it. Pretty frustrated right now, man. Pretty frustrated. The RPM stopped working. It's another thing with this. See, when this sniper gets hot, it has all type of electronic stuff starts happening. Where if this was just a straightforward carb, it would be no issues like this. Or if it was just if I had an LS in here, and I would have had an LS in here, but I got robbed. I got robbed on this motor by somebody who ended up being a piece of shit. So I have this motor in here because this is what I had to get the car running. I know a lot of you are probably saying, why don't you just LS it? Well, I was going to LS the car. I was going to LS it before the guy ripped me off, who was my friend, who I made a lot of money for. So this is what I have to deal with. Wig splitter Porsche, man. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like button, leave a comment. If you haven't seen the inside, I'll let you take a quick peek inside. It's dirty right now. The car needs to be cleaned. My mechanic lives he lives out where there's a lot of dirt. This is the interior, if you haven't seen the interior. So, it's a lot of work and time has been put into the car, man, but I'm still far from enjoying the car how I want to enjoy it. Don't forget to wash your ass. Muscle up. Fix store and pick you up a sticker for your car, or a patch, or a sticker for your laptop, or maybe a beanie, or read one of the many books that Big Herc 916 has authored. You know how we do it.